Welcome to Hacienda Margarita, a beautiful property near El Yunque rainforest and also Luquillo Beach. This property has almost 1 acre of lot, also a main house with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and then a separate casita with another full bathroom. This place has great space outdoors where you can enjoy with your family, the stunning ocean and mountain views, and just feel like you're in nature, surrounded by peaceful atmosphere. This community has a clubhouse with basketball courts, tennis courts, and a swimming pool. Also, lots are so spacious that some people have horses in their backyard.